Up ACT Prep, it's your boy Bock, here to walk you through how you can use the data mastery sheet you just got and Khan Academy to autodidact on some of the skills that will lead to the most growth on your next test. If you haven't already gone to www.khanacademy.org/coaches, you should go there. And then log in by clicking Continue with Google. And use your Sci Academy login information. Once you get to the next page, you should put in the class code, which is JT7MHQUN, and click Join the Class. As soon as you do that, you can go to Assignments. Now you'll see a bunch of assignments here, and not all of them are going to be equal. Some of these are going to lead to more growth for you than others. And the way to know which ones are going to lead to more growth for you is going to be to look at the printout I gave you with your results from the IA3. There's a printout with both English and math results. You can choose whether you do English or math. For the sake of this example, I'm going to choose math. Now on this breakdown, this is entirely hypothetical, by the way. I do know how to master equations. I'm going to look at the top skills up here, and I see that this first one is at 0%, so I'm going to start with that one. You should start with the first one in this list that is lower than 80%. So for me, that's definitely the first one, equations, but for some folks, it might be the second or the third one. Since I need to work on equations, I'm going to start by doing this Khan Academy topic, equations, expressions, and inequalities. So I'm going to pop back over to this list of assignments and look for equations, expressions, and inequalities. It's right here on the last page. That's pretty convenient. You might have to flip through the list using these toggles at the bottom to find the one that you need to work for. The one I'm doing, though, is equations, expressions, and inequality. And I've assigned you just the unit test for that, so as soon as you are, you've found the one that you want to work on, click Start. Now I'm going to quickly do this, and I'm going to fake like I don't know a few things, just to show you how you should do this. You should start with the unit test. Now this has 23 problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click through here. Oh, got that one wrong. If you want to get help, you can get help. This shows me that it is actually this one. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to go on. This is 3 times C minus 8. Ooh, look at me go. I'm just going to put something in here because I don't want to go all the way through, because I want to show you really what you can do to maximize your mistakes at the end here. I'm going to click skip for now. 4 minus the product of Z. Ooh. Wow. Still having trouble? I'm going to move on. Z plus 30. 45. Nailed it. Keep going. Skip that for now. Nailed it. Keep going. Is that 45 as well? Nope, still not 45. I'm going to go through this one. That's not 45 either. You should actually be trying these problems. My goal here is just to help, is just to show you what you should do at the end of this. Once you get to the very end. 25 plus t equals 75. She made 50 because we need 50 to add to 25. Oh no. Well, I'm just going to keep moving along. And 1 divided by 7 is 13. Wow. 10 times 7 is 70, plus 4 is 74. Look at me go. Getting back into my stride. 69 is less than 96. Cool. C plus 2, as C increases, that's going to increase. Look at me go. You should definitely be trying your best on these sections. I'm just breezing through these because the part that is really going to be the most important is what comes when you finish this test. X plus 1, rise over run, I think it's R, but again, you should do your best work. Look at me go. 3.3 times 3 is 9.9, I want to say, but I don't know. I'm just going to put that in there. Wow, cool. X is greater than or equal to -1. That's dope. Give that my best shot. Cool. Y 16 equals 2 times 6 plus 7. That works. There we go. Cool. Once you get to the end of the unit test, you're going to get a summary page that tells you your percentage and which lessons they recommend to help you grow. Your job is to complete these lessons and the practice in order to get your mastery above 90. If you get your mastery above 90%, you've got 100 for the exit ticket grade. To get it there, you should focus on the lessons they recommend. You could see that up here in this list, or you could see the lessons here next to the problems that you got wrong. So you can click on the lesson. You should complete the lesson, probably like watch the videos, then complete the practice. And then once you feel like you are ready to move on, go back down to the unit test and retake the test again. You can take that test as many times as you want to get it up to above 90% and earn your 100 for the day. If you've got questions now, you feel free to shoot your hand up. Otherwise, go ahead and get started on taking a look at your topic breakdown and starting on the first topic or on any topic within the first 5 here that you've gotten less than 80% mastery on. You could do English or math. The choice is totally yours. Now is the time for you to go and be the autodidact that you are. Bock out!